Hey, have you heard about PERT chart?
Yes, PERT chart is a project management tool used to plan and schedule tasks within a project.
What's the difference between PERT chart and Gantt chart?
PERT chart is used to analyze and optimize the time required to complete a project, while Gantt chart shows the project schedule.
What are the 6 steps in PERT chart?
The 6 steps in PERT chart are defining the project, identifying the tasks, determining the sequence, estimating the time, drawing the network diagram, and analyzing the critical path.
What are the advantages of PERT chart?
The advantages of PERT chart include identifying the critical path, identifying potential delays, and improving time estimates.
What is CPM chart?
CPM chart is another project management tool used to analyze and optimize the time required to complete a project.
What is the difference between PERT and CPM?
PERT uses probabilistic time estimates, while CPM uses deterministic time estimates.
Why is PERT CPM important?
PERT CPM is important because it helps project managers identify the critical path and potential delays, optimize time estimates, and improve project scheduling and planning.